Okay, doing a service call for a thermocouple. Yeah, I think I've worked on this one before a while back. It's kind of back in here. Gas is on, and I checked the valve. I think I worked on this one. Yeah, I was like up against a fence and there was a refrigerator or something behind me. I think I changed the burner assembly. Yeah, it's got a little check mark on it. Oh, I definitely worked on this. It's not holding pilot. It's not holding pilot, so go ahead and verify. There we go. Got these nice little clips that I can use, so slide these on. I've done a thermocouple in a long time. Yeah, we got 28 millivolts. That's a lot of millivolts, but the thing about thermocouples is sometimes you can get a good measurement off of them, but they still don't work. So it could be a bad valve, but it's very unlikely. So yeah, 29, that's pretty strong. I don't know if you could see that. 29 millivolts. Let's replace it anyway, and hope that the valve is good, because I don't think I have a valve with me. So I just came from a service call that I did. Lady wanted to replace her water heater, and she said it was leaking, and she showed me pictures. It was only a year old. It was a 2023 Ream, water all over the place, and I noticed she had a plastic drain valve in the pictures that she sent. So I went out there and I drained all the water. This drill's about shot. Drained all the water out of it. I got it relit. I changed the drain valve over to brass, which would be right here. Plastic drain valve. Changed it to brass. And got it relit. It came up flashing 7 times. Did the reset procedure. Cleared the code. And water never came back. and just charged her for a service call, you know, which is obviously a lot less than what it would have cost to do a water heater replacement. And it was awesome. She gave me like a $75 tip, which I highly appreciate. And I was in and out of there in like, you know, half an hour. So saved her money, saved me time. I've been doing installs like every single day, so I'm just wiped out from them anyway. What's going on here? We don't want to strip this. If we can avoid it. I think we're stripping it. Alright, I gotta go get my impact. Come on, baby. There we go. Man, I gotta replace some of my tips here. Pull it out. Just pull it out. Take the new one. Push it in. I remember I had some trouble with this water heater last time. I threw like 3 burner assemblies at it before I was finally able to get it to hold. I'm sure there's a video in there somewhere about it. Alright, let's hope this does it so I can go watch some football. Okay, we got pilot flame. Now we need to wait and hope, because the other thermopile measured, you know, 28 millivolts. This guy right here, 28 millivolts. There's a little bit of scarring on the end of it. Sometimes they don't work with certain valves. It's weird, especially with these like GE Rheem type water heaters. That should be pretty. Wish me luck. I'm getting it. Yeah. Yeah, it's holding. On position. Yeah, that's so strange with thermocouples. You put a voltmeter on them, they measure fine, but they don't seem to work with whatever valve. It's a strange little phenomenon. I don't know what it is. But anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching. Thermocouple replacement on what looks like a 2014 GE 50-gallon. Pretty simple. Just remove the burner assembly, free up the pilot assembly, pull out the thermocouple, insert the new one. That is a part that Home Depot sells. I think they're like $14, $15. And you got to try and run it through the stopper. That's probably the hardest part. You know, these little stoppers they just fall apart on you. And reattach it, you want to do finger tight quarter turn. So finger tight quarter turn. You don't want to smash it down. You don't need a lot of torque on that. And follow the lighting procedure, and that's it. Consider giving this video a thumbs up, and a comment really helps the video get circulation. And consider subscribing to my channel. I think I have like close to 400 videos working on water heaters, a lot of tips and tricks. Just learned some new tips and tricks recently. Really excited to share those with you guys, and we will see you on the next video. Have a great day.